Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move your Bitcoin from MetaMask to Binance. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, let's talk prerequisites. You'll need a MetaMask wallet with some Bitcoin. Note that this could be wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, since MetaMask primarily works with Ethereum-based assets. Make sure you have your Binance account set up and verified, as that's where your Bitcoin is headed. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Open your MetaMask extension or app and ensure you're on the correct network. Bitcoin transactions typically involve bridging or wrapping, so if you have native BTC, you might need to convert it to WBTC first using a reputable bridge like the Bitcoin Ethereum bridge. Once that's done, select your WBTC in MetaMask. Step 2. Head over to your Binance account. Go to the wallet section and find your Bitcoin deposit address. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string, so no typos allowed. Step 3. Back in MetaMask, click on Send for your WBTC. Paste the Binance address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and double-check the network compatibility. Remember, fees can vary, so keep an eye on gas prices if you're bridging chains. Step 4. Review the transaction details, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to ensure the funds have arrived. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Bitcoin. In 2025, crypto tools are more user-friendly, but always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and enable two-factor authentication. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.